I've got these two ingredients, Biscoff cookies and Greek yogurt. Do you know what I'm making? Yes, it's the viral recipe of Japanese cheesecake. So easy, so fast, no bake. You're gonna like it. It's all happening right here. So I have my Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna fill it halfway up in each cup. You might want to plan ahead on this recipe because when I went to the grocery store just to get the Biscoff cookies, all the shelves were empty. Every Biscoff related item was gone. So I had to make a couple trips to find what I needed. I couldn't believe it. Okay. So I've got 2 servings here. So easy, a child could do this recipe. Here's my Greek yogurt. Got equal amounts. Okay. Then I'm taking my Biscoff cookies. And because our cups are small, we're only going to use half of a cookie, or break it in half. If we had something deeper, we'd use the whole cookie at one time. Okay. And our other cup, same thing. Now I've seen this made a few different ways, but this is definitely the easiest way. Try and squeeze as many in here as possible. Okay, a few more. So if you fill the mugs up or your container too high, then once you put the cookies in, then that'll kind of go over the edge. I think I can fit another one over here. Maybe one right there. Okay. Now I'm going to take a Ziploc bag, put my remaining cookies in here.
-1.
Okay. All right, and then I'm going to crush these up. Okay. There we go. Now we've got crumbs. We're just going to put them around the outside. You could cover the whole thing if you wanted. Yeah, might as well. We'll cover the whole thing. And now we're going to cover it with plastic. It needs to chill at least 6 hours. It'd be even better overnight, which is what we're going to do. Now it's time to try the Biscoff cheesecake. It really tastes good. Okay.
Now it's my turn to try. Tastes like cheesecake.
Yeah, it does. Which is the idea.
I love these Biscoff cookies. If you've ever been on an airplane, they give you 2 of them.
I don't think I've ever had them before, but I like them. You like that?
This is easy. I
mean, it was really easy.
You have to put it in the fridge overnight, so we're wearing different clothes because it's the next day. But yeah, pretty nice. It tastes like cheesecake.
What an easy dessert. I like it.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, the recipe, which isn't really a recipe because it's so easy, is in the description box. Bye.
Nice job.